I am at Under Canvas in Moab, and it's all like a little tent city. They have a couple bathhouses out here. They do a lot for their guests. It's complimentary. You can get free coffee, free tea, free hot chocolate, free apples, free oranges. And they just have a bunch of stuff out here. They do free s'mores, and then they have bags that have question marks, and those are like the mystery chocolates and things like that. And then have games that you can use and play. They got cornhole. They also have, there's that band coming this way because they're having a wedding reception here, so the caterer's coming in. So that's another thing that they do. But they have all this cool stuff around here. They have a lot of places you can sit down. They have a bunch of fire pits. They have a grilling station. They even do like an activity every evening. So tomorrow is star bathing yoga. So it starts at 8:30. So you can do yoga underneath the stars, and it's free. So there's a lot of stuff. So let's go check out Under Canvas in Moab. I can't wait to get to my room. So it just got like a couple minute ride on a golf cart because you can't drive your cars down here. So they come and they drop you off and they'll pick you up so you don't have to carry your bags all the way down. So here's my tent. It's really awesome is I have nobody behind me. And then Arches is just down the street, about 5 or 10 minutes away. And I'm going to go out there tonight and do some stargazing. But let's go check out my tent. It's so awesome. What do you think about that? That's so cool. Like the lanterns, their LED lights that you can also charge. And if they have battery packs in here so you can charge your phone and other equipment and whatnot. And if you don't need them, you just reach out to them. They send one down. And what's awesome is I don't know if you can see it because of the distance, but when I look this way, my view is just snow-capped mountains. So let me see if we can see that. Because it's awesome. The mountain, snow-capped. There's the bathhouse right there. And then you bring an ATV out and bring your bag, so you don't even have to work on bringing your bags out here. So cool. It'd be like awesome to like rent out these for like a weekend and just have like a huge family reunion out here. You can do a wedding out here, just like reserve every cabin out here. This is awesome. I like it. Now I know why everybody likes the Air Force. They deploy very well. Sure beats a shipping container with another dude. Oh, happy anniversary sign. How cool is that? But the employees here are so friendly and they're so geared and in tune with whatever the customer needs. It's awesome. Like, if I called them up right now, I was like, hey, can I have a hot chocolate brought down? They would probably bring it down. I'm not going to do that because I don't need a hot chocolate. Maybe I do. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. It will really help out the channel and it gives you great access to all the great destinations I've been to and will be going to. Thanks.